This video will help you in answering CAD modelling questions in your National 5 question paper. And what it's asking you to do is describe, with reference to dimensions and CAD modelling terms, how to produce a 3D CAD model of a pin that will secure the belt to the bracket. So it's giving you some suggested forms or shapes for the pin. It's given the dimensions in sketch form on the other side. So it's said that the circle is 30 millimeters diameter. The distance through the top part is 10 millimeters. Gap between is 80 and then 10 at the bottom. So if I'm going to make a pin that goes through this bracket, I'm going to ensure that the stem of the pin goes through each part and bridges the gap, and that the top part of the pin is bigger than 30 millimeters, and that the stem of the pin is the size of 30 millimeters. So I've already kind of figured out what part of my marks will be by figuring out, making sure I've got the right dimensions. The next thing it's asking you to do is make sure that you've got the right CAD modelling terms. Extrude is normally the go-to when it comes to CAD modelling terms, but try and be a bit more creative. Try and show off to the examiner what modelling terms you know. Therefore, another option could be revolve. It does say to you that you must reference 2 dimensions on the preliminary sketch given, and you can use sketches to support your answer. So it's a 4-mark question. 4 marks are looking for 2D modelling terms like sketch tools, dimensions, 3D modelling tools, and making sure that you've got the right dimensions for that as well. So sketch profile of the model using line tool. So therefore I want to draw half of the shape of the pin. As we said before, the sketch tells me that that circle is 30 millimeters. So I'm going to sketch the profile of the pin that I want to draw using the line tool. And I'm going to just write to the dimensions shown in sketch. Now, in this answer, I'm not referring to the sketch that they have given me, I'm referring to the sketch that I have drawn. So I'm going to ensure that all my parts are fully dimensioned to enable anybody who looks at this to create it on Inventor without looking for information somewhere else. So diameter, I'm going to make that 40 to make sure that it doesn't go through this hole. Oh, sorry, I'm going to make it 20 because it's half the profile. I only want it to be half the size of the overall pin. And down here, because I want it to go through that 30 diameter hole, I'm going to make that 15. My overall length is 100. Okay, so already I'm starting to gain points by saying that I'm sketching a profile using the line tool to the dimensions shown in the sketch that I have provided for them. And my dimensions are correct as we looked at the preliminary sketch that was given earlier. So there we go, that's my answer to this question. It's asked me to draw this pin, and I've kind of gone with the suggested form that it's given me. I'm using the dimensions given over leaf. My dimensions are right, I've suggested a correct sketch tool, and I've suggested a advanced CAD modelling term as well.